Hi guys, welcome to 1UX1's UX Design 101. Everything you need to know about UX design, UX research. Lesson 5, let's go. So you need to know what a button is. Now a button might seem obvious, but designs are really crucial here. Here it's green, you might need red or blue, depending on the branding, the design, but also on the affordance. So is it clickable? If it's a gray color, will they even know they need to click on it? So it needs to be searchable and clickable, and using the psychology of colors, what color would be the best for your users? Is red going to work for you? So do the user research, do an A/B test, red versus blue, and see what users like. Buttons are really crucial, call to actions. You can have them at the top of a page if you want people to follow, subscribe, purchase something, and it needs to be prominent, but you don't want more than one usually in one place, because then you're going to have cognitive overload and they don't know what to select. The next one is user journey. Now, you can sketch a journey of a user. For example, if you have a mobile phone and you want to upgrade your phone or get more data or change the phone, you need a user journey to sketch out, a bit like what they do in the films and movies. They actually sketch out what the scene of the film is going to be. We do the same in UX design. We actually decide and visualize the whole journey. So the user is thinking about buying a new phone and what do they want to do. So you document all that journey. So for example, in this user journey, this is an app for mental health. So what it does is there's a guy here who's quite lonely and doesn't like talking to people, may have social anxiety or depression. And this app allows his friends to get a reminder regularly to call up and see if he's okay. So this is the design of an app. So you draw out the user journey so you can build the app. So this is how we use user journeys to build empathy and empathize with the user of what they want to experience. And you can draw that out into something called a customer journey map. A customer journey map, you write out all the stages and then a sketch of the design of the app, very roughly, just a rough sketch of what it might look like, and then what the emotions will be throughout that journey. So they may be sad at the beginning, and then their friend gets a message and they get happier. Oh, I need to call my friend. And so you measure those emotions and you look at opportunities to improve that journey. So this is called a customer journey map, and this is what a real one looks like. So here you have the scenario, you have the expectations of the user, and then you define what the problem is, and then what do they do next? The user might be defining what they want to do. This one is a phone upgrade, and they look at the current plan, and then they look at comparing on TV or online, and then they negotiate the price, and then they select an option. And that's a whole customer journey. And you look at what the opportunities, you can give them offers, you can give them a breakdown of their plan, and you give them the metrics so you can measure how long it took them to complete the process. And that's a customer journey map, which you do at the beginning of your UX design story so that you know what your design is looking and expecting to look like, and you can start to sketch according to that customer journey map. The next one is character count. Now, where you have forms or information you're gathering, you want to tell them how much they can type. If you don't have a character count, it'll be really frustrating. University application forms have a character count, and it's really clear how much you can put in, because we don't want too much data either. It's very hard to actually classify information and data once you collect it. So you want the right amount according to your project, according to your website or design. So include the character limit. Now the next one is backlinks. If you don't have backlinks, it's one of the most frustrating things for users when they made a mistake or they've changed their mind, they want to go back and they can't find a backlink. Always include a backlink on your page, otherwise users will get frustrated and they'll leave your page. You'll have a high drop-off rate. You don't want that. You don't want complaints. So back gives them the freedom to go back. It's one of the requirements that we have in heuristic review. When we review a good website, one of the options is the freedom to move around your website or your app. I'll see you on the next lesson. Don't forget to subscribe and follow this UX 101 course so you can get all the information you need to become a great UX designer or UX researcher. See you on the next one. Thank you.